The Bait Runner is a dual-purpose reel, which shares the similarities of a standard spinning reel that is typically used for dead sticking, but can be used for a variety of angling situations.
There it is, guys. Hook up the first fish of the day. See if I can land this.
In today's video, I will be covering the significance of a Bait Runner reel, how it works, and its main purpose.
I think it's a spotted. Could be a smallie.
Hello anglers, my name is Xandro and I'm in my 50s. I have spent years learning the intricacies of fishing, including the best techniques, gear, and locations for various types of fish. My first-hand experience allows me to provide valuable insights that can improve your fishing skills. I have the ability to break down complex techniques into understandable steps that makes it easier for others to grasp and apply. Viewers, on this channel I'll take out all the frustrating aspects of fishing by introducing only what's practical, because fishing should be fun and rewarding. If you're interested on fishing methods that are simple but effective, subscribe now. Bait Runner Reel is a specialized fishing reel designed to allow anglers to fish with live bait more efficiently.
Sorry guys, trying to put my reel in the way so I'm not scratching it all up.
It features a secondary drag or free spool system that lets the line run freely when a fish takes the bait.
Got him right there, barely, but it's in the very meaty part,
preventing the fish from feeling resistance. Anglers can engage the primary drag with a quick turn of the handle, allowing for a swift hook set.
I think if you fought a little more, but your fight is over, guy. Okay, beautiful looking specimen.
Bait Runner reels are particularly popular in carp and catfish fishing, where stealth and sensitivity are crucial.
Good size, guys. Oh yeah, this guy.
With their durable construction and reliable performance,
It's a good size channel cat, guys.
they are a favorite among both novice and experienced fishermen.
Yeah.
The Bait Runner reel. What makes this reel unique and separates it from the rest is that it has dual drag system. The primary drag and the secondary drag. The secondary drag is used for dead sticking, set for a much lighter setting, so when the fish bites it won't pull your rod into the water. When you're ready to fight the fish, just start cranking and the primary drag engages automatically. Viewers, I will provide the links to all the products I mentioned in the description below. And as a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored or affiliated with the company of these products. Back to your video.
The sun is coming out. It's always inviting. It's supposed to be a little cooler today, so that's good. Some days I come out here and it's scorching hot. I feel like melting. Doesn't feel very big, guys. He's gonna breach. That's what I was gonna say. Dang, this guy's doing somersaults. Fighting for his life. Fighting for his life. Okay. Calm down, little man. Calm down. Whoa, dang, this guy. He is not a happy camper. He is like God himself got my hook all wrapped up in the net. That's what you're doing. Little guy. I'm not even going to measure this guy. I know he's a dink. Let me put my rod over here. Yeah, it's going to be a catch and release, guys. Put on a little show. Thanks for the show. Let you go about your own ways. Look at a smallmouth bass. Or largemouth bass, guys. But a smallie. Well, not smallie. Correction. He's a dink. Okay. Adios, muchachos. You know, guys, you go fishing long enough, you're going to have those moments that's great and not so great. I've had days where you get those bites that are so big, just catches you off guard, just boom, and you see your rod tip just bend. Makes your heart stop. Totally forget to turn on your GoPro. Like, for a minute, the whole world stops. It's like a bad episode of The Twilight Zone.
Yep. It's them kind of bites that makes the old sphincter pucker up.
And then you miss it. You just got to get over it and move on. And I got a bite right here. He's trying to take it. He's taking it. There we go. Fish on. Like a spotted. Calm down, little man. I probably don't need a net for this guy. Just wear him out a little bit. Calm down. Calm down. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Good hook set right at the top of the lip. Another dink. I gotta eat too. Looks like I caught somebody else's line too. You know, that's happened before. When I reel in my lure and you get a present. Like drag in someone's lure or something. People snag, because like I was saying, if you ain't snagging, you ain't fishing. Catch and release, guys, a dink. Love it. Love fishing.
That concludes this video. And now I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who's been with me throughout this wonderful journey.
Okay, turn around.
A special thanks to all my current subscribers and those who liked and shared my videos. I really appreciate all my viewers for taking part in supporting and helping this channel grow. And for those new to this channel, welcome.
Whoa, bring it in. Yes, it is. It is.
See? He's like a casual. Stand
teeth.
still. There you go.
The bass.
back in the water. This guy, bigger. Sit, got my net. Got my net, guys. Yeah, guys. Ooh,
If you want to be part of this family, subscribe now.